Customer support and feedback is always one of the largest factors for Rough Country's design team, so we wanted to go back to the drawing board because we knew we could do a better job and provide a better end result. We wanted to reapproach this kit from all angles, starting from the ground up. We decided to go back with a 4-link suspension setup on the front and rear of the JK. The 4-link, it's just additional pivot points. It lets that front and rear axle move around more and really stay into contact with any terrain that you may come across. Trail guys are going to love this kit because of the added droop, travel, pinion angle you can control. It's easily adjustable, less bind, so you can really feel what your Jeep is doing underneath you. The JK was a large step above the TJ as far as ride goes. When we were designing this kit, we didn't want to stray too far away from what Chrysler did when they remodeled the JK. We wanted to maintain proper instant center locations to reduce anti-squat. Instant center is that imaginary point where your upper and lower trailing arms were to connect. The instant center determines a lot about the ride characteristics of your vehicle, especially under braking forces and acceleration forces. So we tried to limit that or maintain a factory-like geometry. We've also added our new progressive dual rate coils. A dual rate coil is exactly what it sounds like. You've got 2 coil rates designed into one coil assembly. You're going to get the best of both worlds. You're going to have awesome ride quality on the road because you're going to be right at the beginning of that second stage, which is more like what you would see on a normal linear rate coil. Off-road, you're going to get the benefits of the extended free length and that soft ride that's really going to keep you in contact with your rocks or your terrain underneath the Jeep. Accompanying our new dual rate coils is our N3 shocks that we had specifically valved for this kit. The N3 shock is a larger bore. This allows better heat dissipation when you're on the trail and you're getting aggressive with your Jeep. A great ride on the highway, reinforced seals, and a larger piston rod for increased durability. All of the plate parts are laser cut, CNC bent, and either fixture welded or hand welded in-house and then painted at the Rough Country powder coat line. All of our parts go through a multi-stage wash with an acid etch that promotes paint adhesion, which makes for more corrosion resistant parts in the end. We do the tests on the mill thickness on the paint, and they put them in big test booths that spray water and salt on them. It exceeds industry standards for salt spray protection. With the introduction of the JK, we saw the transition of the Jeep going from a weekend vehicle and just a trail dedicated rig to a ton of people using them as a daily driver. Knowing that people use their Jeeps in that fashion now, we wanted to create a brand new kit that you could drive on the street every day back and forth to work, and you could also take it to the trail. We're really excited to release this kit because the first time we test drove it, we were shocked that we were in a long arm Jeep because the ride quality was so great.